Once the gauge is powered on, we are ready to begin the procedure. In this example, the gauge is connected to two thermocouples measuring the temperature of a liquid. Notice that the actual liquid temperature is 70 degrees, but the gauge is displaying 76 degrees for the first channel and 65 degrees for the second channel. This offset can be corrected using the gauge's fine-tuning offset feature. Begin by pressing the gear key once. Next, using the up and right arrow keys, enter the programming code 0089. Once the code is in the display, press the gear key. The gauge is now in the programming mode. Continue by pressing the up arrow key 3 times. The display will read OST1. Press the gear key once to enter the offset value for channel 1. Since the actual liquid temperature is 70 degrees and the gauge is displaying 76 degrees, enter an offset of -6 degrees. Press the up and right arrow keys until -6 degrees is in the display. The negative sign is found by incrementing the leftmost digit to the negative sign. Once the necessary offset value is in the display, press the gear key once to save the value in the microprocessor's memory. Then press the up arrow key once. The display will read OST2. Press the gear key once to enter in the offset value for channel 2. Press the up arrow key until 5 degrees is in the display. Once the necessary offset value is in the display, press the gear key once to save the value in the microprocessor's memory. Press the up arrow 3 times until end is in the display window. Then press the gear key once to exit the programming mode. The gauge's display now precisely matches the actual liquid temperature. For more information, please visit our website, thesensorconnection.com, to download a copy of the DPG-XR Digital Temperature Gauge User Manual and Quick Start Guide. The Sensor Connection. Performance and reliability is our business. Thanks for being on our team.